It's time to talk about your content. And why are you making this content anyway? I'm Mcshwack, and in this video we're going to talk about how you can plan out your content and what's the purpose of the content on your channel. This is the second video in my series of how to start a new YouTube channel. So if you're new and you don't know what to do, go check out the first video. If you're not new, this is a good refresher for you. Before you make your first video, we need to think about the content that you're going to be making. Do you want to make a cooking channel, baking channel? Do you want to make a travel channel, dance channel, gaming channel? This is all stuff that you should think about before you actually record your first video. The types of videos that you make on your channel should be driven by a purpose. Now, the purpose is the reason why you are making the videos in the first place. The purpose for your channel should be something along the lines of educating your viewers, taking your viewers on a journey, or maybe you're just trying to entertain them. But whatever your purpose is, you need to think about it and you decide in the very beginning. Now, your purpose is going to be personal to you, so I can't give you a whole lot of advice on your purpose. The only advice that I can give you is really dive down deep. What is the reason that you are making these videos for your viewers? Every video that you make on your channel should be thinking about your purpose. When you come up with the idea for your next video, think back, is this really going to drive the purpose of my channel? For example, if the purpose of your channel is to take your viewers on a magical journey to experience what this world has to offer, you probably don't want to do a cooking channel. You're probably better off making a travel channel or vlogs. So think about the videos that you would like to make and then think about your purpose. Once you really dial in and you have the purpose for your channel, it's going to make all of the videos that much better. So really get passionate about this part and really dive down to what's personal to you, what's going to be your purpose, and what content do you want to make. Now, I know it's really exciting and you really want to get into recording your first video, but I have one more thing to talk to you guys about, and that's going to be in the next video. We're going to be talking about your target audience. If you're just joining us during the second video of this series, how to start a new YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you get notified when the third video comes out. Thank you so much, and as always, stay awesome.